We worship. We worship. We honor your awesome majesty in this place. Father of lights, Father of spirits. At the count of 3, receive what God has released. There is an angelic presence in this place. And what is happening here, you can connect to also. There is no distance in the realm of the spirits. At the count of 3, you just shout, I receive, and blast in the Holy Ghost and take that which belongs to you. Lord, I ask that at the count of 3, for everyone watching right now, and those who will even watch later, and those of us in the studio also, let the allocation of heaven for this program today be released. Izabalado Sata, healing, deliverances, direction, clarity of vision, clarity of purpose, let it be released. Baptism of the Holy Ghost be released. At the count of 3, you shout, I receive, and blast in the Holy Ghost. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
I receive. I receive.
Yes.
I receive. I receive. I receive new level. I receive the grace. I receive the mantle. I receive. Arise and shine, for my light has come, and the glory of the Lord is risen upon me. I receive.
Thank you, Jesus. I'm seeing someone in the spirit, you have been moving slowly. You see a snail always in your dream. Slow movement just ended now.
Amen.
In the name of Jesus.
Yes, Lord.
Father, we give you praise. We thank you, precious Father, for your awesome presence in this place.